Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. We are talking healthy and delicious and friends. Hi, Adrienne.
Hello, Mercedes.
I'm so excited because what did you make for everyone today?
I made one of the simplest healthy dishes, I think, that you can make.
I agree because it smells amazing in here, and you started out with one of my favorite ingredients.
Garlic.
Tell everybody how you made it.
Okay, so everything that I starts with garlic and olive oil.
Yep.
You get your garlic nice and sautéed. Add your vegetables. You can add any vegetables that you like. You can put leftover vegetables in. For this one, I chose to do peas, and I happened to have a red pepper left, so I decided to go with the red pepper. I sautéed the peas and the pepper once the garlic was sautéed. And once that peas and the pepper were cooked just to my liking, I threw in a nice handful. I don't measure anything.
Yeah.
And you don't have to measure with this dish. I threw in a nice handful of pine nuts, and I just let that set. I took that pan off and let that all warm up together.
I'm gonna try. And then while all of this was going, she had the couscous going. And I noticed that you cooked it in chicken broth.
I like to cook it in chicken broth. It gives it a little bit more flavor.
This is full of flavor.
It is full of flavor.
This is full of flavor.
You could do it in water if you don't prefer the chicken broth, or you don't have broth, or you don't have the cubes, whatever you want to use to flavor it up is fine.
Adrienne, this is fabulous. I mean, I could see adding a little bit of broccoli in here.
Absolutely.
You can even add protein if you like some chicken or something like that.
Like I said, this is a great, I call it kitchen surprise. If I have leftover chicken or salmon in the house, I could throw that on there.
This is fabulous.
It's for everything. And it's good hot or cold. Oh,
this
it
is
makes for a
fabulous.
great summer salad.
This is year round, I say. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this recipe. You have to try this. It's so good. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.